Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In this video, I would like to show you how we can install the OCI-CLI or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure command line interface on Linux. So in this method, you can see it's pretty easy and simple. I want just to use the script. And you can find the script in the official documentation of Oracle Cloud. So here you are. Here I have copy and paste the script on my server. So ls cat OCI underscore installation, and here we are. As you can see, I want to use this command, just one command to install the OCI-CLI or OCI-CLI. So bash -c, then the variable. I want to use curl to download the script on my server. Then I want to use the all the path to the script. So the script is under on the site raw.github-user-content.com, and then you have to find the script /oracle /OCI-CLI/master/scripts/install, and then the name of the script is install.sh. So I want to copy this line and then paste it here, and I want to press enter. And here we are. The installation start now. And here is it an interactive script. So in what directory would you like to place the install? So I want to leave it blank like this. I want to press enter. So you want to choose the place by default. So it will be under /home/ the user. So ec2-user /lib/oracle-CLI like this. And then I want to put yes. In what directory would you like to place the OCI executable? So I want to leave it blank by default. Also, the place of the CI scripts, leave it blank, leave a blank. So by default, the variable, what optional CLI packages we install? Please enter if you don't need any optional packages. So enter. I want to leave it blank. So now the installation is begun. So the script installs the Python, then the virtual env, then it uses pipe to install the OCI-CLI and their independence. And here I don't want to modify profile to update the path, so I want to leave it by default. Then I want to press my yes, like this capital letter. Enter a path to an RC, so I want to leave it blank also. It's all by default. And here we are, the installation is successful. So now we can just verify that I can use the OCI-CLI or OCI-CLI on my server. So I want to just use OCI like this, --help. And here we are. As you can see, we can you see all the commands. So for example, to use the compute servers, I want to type OCI compute and then the argument after that, or the action. So, and here we are, we can choose some options, all options. So I want to test, for example, this command --version to see what version I have installed of OCI-CLI installed on my server. Enter. Here we are. So I have installed the version 2.10.4. So that's it for this video. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.